everyone, so welcome to today's video. I wanted to sit down really quickly and share with you some of the newer products that I got. I remember sharing with you guys my entire stash of new products, samples, and things that I've collected, and I'll link that video here in the cards. And I put a little annotation at the bottom of the video that I was actually getting some more things that I ordered for my birthday. So if you haven't been keeping up, there's been so much going on, but my birthday was at the beginning of the month, and I decided that I was going to order a few things. I got some loungewear, which I will, tell you towards the end of the video, and I will try to link the ones that I got. I got some affordable pieces from Walmart. I got a new robe, and I got some graphic tees that are super, super comfortable and nice. So I will definitely put that information down below. But I did order a few makeup items, and I wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I got. So I am not too much into Milani Cosmetics. I have been wanting to try one of their palettes for quite some time, and it was on my list of things to try, so I figured why not just order from their website. And at the time that I placed the order, they were giving out gift with purchases, which is always awesome to receive something for free. So I'm going to just kind of share with you guys quickly the things that I got. Some of it's still kind of in its original packaging. I haven't even taken it off, but the one thing that I did open last night was the eyeshadow palette because I wanted to make sure that it wasn't cracked. But I got the Pure Passion eyeshadow, and it's got like fingerprints already on it, and I haven't even used it. But the Pure Passion number 04 palette, and this one has some warm tones, which you guys know I love. But then it also has some very soft kind of pink tones that could be like everyday. Think of like these two rows for everyday. And then this could be like transitioning day to night, or even like a warm smoky eye, some warm tones. There are a variety of finishes. Some of them look a little bit more metallic, some a little softer, like more satiny kind of finish. And then there's 6 mattes. So this whole row of dark colors, and then this whole row right here of light shades. You have an ivory, a soft, very light tan, and then a light pink. They're not that expensive for this whole palette, and this whole kind of setup reminds me of some of the Stila eyeshadow palettes. I don't know if they make them anymore, but they do have quite a few varieties. The Milani website does, and you can get them in store as well, but they kind of do remind me of some old Stila palettes that I used to have. So I'm excited to try that. And then I got the Soft Focus Glow. This is the Complexion Enhancer. I wanted something that I can use all over for like some shimmer and a sheen and a glow that I can use with no makeup or underneath makeup for a bit of a glow. And I didn't want to use like a highlighter product because those tend to be a lot more, I guess, intense in the level of shimmer. So I thought if I go with something like this that's a complexion enhancer, it's actually made to be applied to the face, I suppose, in that format of all over versus more of like a liquid highlighter. I've used the Becca one before, and that can be intense and it can be a little much. So I thought, why not try this? I get it in the shade Nude Glow. I'm not sure if it comes in different tones or not. On the back it says it has moisturizing hyaluronic acid, brightening rose water, and soothing cucumber. And so I do like the fact that they included some skincare benefits into the product, and it's a mineral-based luminizer with soft focus pearl pigments. So we'll see. I am planning on using all of these products in a full face of drugstore makeup because it's been a while. I kind of mix drugstore and high-end, but I kind of wanted to do one that's just all start to finish drugstore products, so that if anybody wants to try some more drugstore products or just kind of want to see a full face of using more affordable things, then I have a video for you. Okay, so moving on. I also picked up the lip gloss. These are the Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the shade number 01 Champagne. So I haven't even taken off the plastic around it. It comes completely sealed, but it's a soft nude, and it's going to have a very, very subtle kind of sheen to it. It's like a golden pearlescent sheen to it. It's not shimmery, it's not glittery, it doesn't seem like it's chunky. It just seems like a very soft kind of glow and a very soft nude. So this would be great with lip liner underneath on its own or with lipstick. So that's why I chose a light color, because I can do so much with it versus something that was darker. So the next thing that I got was a blush trio. I've been wanting to try this as well for some time, and it's in the shade 01 Flowers of Love, and it's a set of 3. So So it's a trio. My camera will focus. And 2 are matte, and then this very light one here is a kind of sheen, like a soft kind of satin. I don't think it's going to be super glowy and dewy, so you can use it as a highlighter. It has this subtle kind of peach undertone to it, or you can use it as a blush topper over the other 2, because these 2 shades are matte. So one is like a soft pinky rose, and then the other one is like a deeper rose with, I don't know, I'm picking up like some depth to it, so almost like a terracotta rose kind of color, but not quite as dark, which I like, and I think this will be nice for the upcoming fall and winter seasons. And then I got a bronzer, the Sunlight bronzer, the Silky Matte bronzers in number 01, and they look like that. And I like the design on the actual product itself, the way they've made it almost look like a sun with all of like the rays. It's really cool. And I got the lightest one because I didn't want to go too dark where it would be too much. I feel like this is like a really great shade that I can use all over. And it actually kind of reminds me of my e.l.f. one. But I think my e.l.f. one is a little bit more warm. And I will show you. This is the Milani, and then this is the e.l.f. So the e.l.f. is just a little bit more warm. And this is a little bit more of a neutral kind of tone, but they do have others that are warm tone. I think it comes in 3 different shades. And I want to say it's like right around 10 bucks or so, so really affordable, and it's a huge bronzer. It is 9.5 grams, so pretty big, and that'll last me a long time. And the last thing that I ordered was the Milani 3-piece travel set. This is the Jetset Eye Brush Kit. It comes like that. This was on sale for, I think, $13.99, and I thought, why not? Why not try it? Can use these with the eyeshadow palette in a video. So these are the 3 brushes that are included in the set. You get like a pencil brush, an all-over eyeshadow brush, and a crease brush. So I feel like you get all the 3 brushes that you really need. And it says cruelty-free, which is awesome. It's always great to see brands advertising and actually being cruelty-free. So I haven't tried any of their brushes, I don't think ever. So if you've tried any of their brushes and you have your favorites, let me know. Or if you've tried them and it hasn't worked, just let me know as well what you think of them, because I think that they are pretty affordable. And I think my local Walmart has a few brush options, individual brushes. I don't think they have a lot of sets. I don't know if they make a lot of sets. I didn't pay attention too much on the website. I just got some of the things that I wanted to try, and then I hit the sale tab. I think they had a sale, or they're advertising a sale, and this was one of the things that kind of caught my eye. So I thought, why not add it in? And I'm excited about that one. Okay, so the last thing was a free gift with purchase. This is the Rose Powder Blush in Romantic Rose. So such a good size for a free gift. And I thought it was going to be one that was kind of similar, but it is different in tone. You can see this one seems a lot softer, more of like a nude, and I think that's going to be perfect for every day. So I'm glad that I got this one, and I think you were able to choose what free gift you wanted, and I think I went for this one. I was hoping that it wasn't going to be a duplicate of what's in this palette, so I'm glad that it's not. But I like how I have 3 blushes. Maybe this might look kind of bronze on my skin. I don't know, because it's not quite as pink as the other ones, if you can kind of tell. Hold it up close so you guys can see there. So I'm excited about that. I'm going to take off all the packaging of these and use them. And so I'm going to do a video of all drugstore start to finish. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comment section if you'd be interested in seeing that, because I would like to do it. And I love drugstore makeup. It's come such a long way, and there's so many great things. I have so many favorites. I can talk all day about my drugstore favorites, which maybe I should do a video of all of my drugstore favorites and just things that I would recommend, because there are some really great gems at the drugstore, and I honestly believe that you can find really great products that perform well, have really great formulas. Some brands that have skincare benefits infused into their formulas, which is even better. It's more of, for me, it's more of a selling point. And gets me wanting to try more, because I do like having skincare added to my makeup. If you're going to be sitting on my face all day, why not be doing something, right? So I am excited, so I can do that video if you were interested in seeing my drugstore picks. Loungewear, house clothes, comfy clothes. I'm all about that life. I've been about that life for a long, long time. And I love being in comfortable lounge clothes. That's pretty much what I wear. I wear a lot of leggings. I did order a set of 2, I should say, leggings from Walmart. I went up to a medium because my clothes now do not fit. And if you're wondering, I am in my 2nd trimester of pregnancy, so things are fitting a little tight. So I had to order some men's size graphic t-shirts, large, extra large, and women's t-shirts that I can just wear around the house and feel comfortable, because all of my tank tops that I normally wear, and you've seen me for months wear tank tops because it just gets hot filming, and I'm always hot right now, especially in pregnancy, they are starting to fit a little snug, and they're not covering completely everything. So I ordered some graphic tees, and the leggings, I actually had to return them because I ordered a medium, but they just seemed so big. I didn't even bother trying them on. I'm like, these look way too big. So I have to order those in a small. And I ordered a robe from Walmart, which is so soft and so plush because my old one was falling apart. So I got rid of that one and I got a new one, and it's black and gray. And I will find them and link them down below for you. Not affiliate links by any means. And I will share that with you down below in the description box. But I got some graphic tees and some loungewear. The Secret Treasures, I think that's what it's called, from Walmart, is actually a really great brand for separates. I came across them when I was actually doing my hospital bag when I was going to give birth to my daughter last year. And I bought just some cropped, very loose pajama bottoms, and I got them in black, and then I got a white and gray striped shirt. And just comfortable things that I could wear with my nursing bras, something easy and soft that I could wear and just be, you know, in that early phase of postpartum. And so I kind of remember how soft those pieces were, and so when I went back this time, I said, you know, I'm going to get myself some new loungewear. And I'm still wearing the size small. I'm wearing, I don't know if you're going to be able to see. I can raise my leg high enough. No. Can you see? I'm wearing some tie-dye loungewear, and then of course my Journeys t-shirt that I also recently got because I am a huge Journeys fan. I love listening to Journey. So I finally got myself a shirt, a graphic t-shirt. I think this came from Target. The tie-dye pants, those are from Walmart, the Secret Treasures, and I got a size small, and they fit very comfortable. They're not tight at all. I think the size small is 4 to 6, so it fits really great, and I think I can use this throughout the rest of my pregnancy as well. So I'm going to find some of the things that I ordered, and I'm going to link them. I'm out of breath. I'm going to link them in the description box because I feel like they're awesome. And then I also got a bunch of like scrunchies in different colors from Target actually, and some more Invisibobbles. Love those like phone cord coils for the hair. They are so awesome. I ordered a bunch with my FabFitFun, which I shared on my Insta stories, all the stuff that I recently got in my FabFitFun box for fall. Really good stuff. So I have an Invisibobble on because my hair is so long, and then I just kind of threw on a black and white scrunchie. But the ones that I got was a pack of a few, some different textures, velvet, soft. This is like a satiny material. There's one that looks like a sweater material, one that's more like a pumpkin shade, ivory, a bunch of different colors. And I hope you guys are going to have a fabulous weekend. I will talk to you very soon, and you can follow me on Instagram, which is the best place to find me. I'll put it here on the screen. I'm no longer posting on Twitter and as much on Snapchat, so I'm just going to put my Instagram here because that's where I am the most active and regularly posting, and that's where you can find me if you're interested. So it's here on the screen. Take care, you guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.